Welcome to Lesson Place, a simple way to learn English virtually. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about 25 phrasal verbs that you need to know and need to master in order to be more fluent in American English or just in English in general. So these phrasal verbs, obviously we use them every day, they're very common and we don't even think twice, but obviously this might be a little bit harder for somebody who's brand new or even intermediate. So I'm going to break these down and show you exactly how to use them. So I'll see you guys on the computer. Hey guys, so I'm going to go through these phrasal verbs and explain them so you can have a better understanding and start using them. So, for example, run into. So any phrasal verb here that you see with this asterisk, so that's star, that means that it's inseparable. That means you cannot separate it. Separable and inseparable. Inseparable means if you separate it, like you put a noun or something in between the run and into, it would not make sense. It wouldn't be the same phrasal verb. It'll be something else that doesn't make sense. So, for example, start over is separable. So you can say, start this over. Start my day over. So that means I want to begin my day again. Or you can just say, I want to start over. I want to start my day over. I want to start this over. So that's separable. So you can separate the start and the over, but it will still mean the same thing. So for example, run into, to meet someone by chance. So running into someone is meeting someone that for the most part you might know from the past or you know of. So you ran into this person or I ran into that person. So typically that's when it's used, but it could also be a stranger. And maybe you want to explain to somebody the specific reason why you bring up that you ran into this person. So I ran into them. And then also run out. That's to have no more. I ran out of milk. I ran out of gas. So we need to go to the gas station to fill up, to get more gas. So I ran out of gas. I ran into someone. So start over, to begin again. We started the game. I wasn't playing really good, so I wanted to start the game over. You know, we were playing the game. My brother beat me in the game, so I wanted to start over. Shut off, to stop a machine or light. So shut off the lights. Shut off the TV. Shut off the radio. You can also say turn off. Turn off is typically when you're dealing with something that has a switch. So turn off the light, turn off the TV, turn off the radio, turn off the machine, turn off the conveyor belt. With any machine or anything, you can turn it off. Take off, to remove clothing. Take off your socks. Take off your shirt. Take off your sweater. Take off your jacket. So for example, you can say, when you arrive or when you come into my house, you need to take off your jacket. When we are at the dinner table, you need to take off your hat. It shows respect if you take off your hat. When you enter my house, you need to take off your shoes. Okay, tear down, to disassemble or completely take apart. So, for example, we want to make a profit on this property. So, it's the best way to make a profit is to tear it down and then build a new structure. So, tear it down. Another way you can use tear down is another phrasal verb is to tear someone down. So that means to talk bad about someone, to belittle someone, or to bring someone beneath you. So that's to tear someone down. So basically to bring someone down. Tear off, to rip something away from something else. So uh, basically, for example, you can say, I'm gonna tear off the tag from the tags from the new clothes that I bought today. You know what I mean? I'm gonna tear off the tags, or I'm gonna, yeah, exactly. That's a really good example. So tear up, to rip something into pieces. So for example, let's say Christmas Day, you open your presents, and then you can say, hey, we need to throw away all the wrapping paper. But before you throw them away, please tear them up so they can all fit in the garbage can. Okay, throw away. Exactly. So throw away. To put something into the trash. So throw away all the wrapping paper from the Christmas presents. To put something in the trash. Throw out. To put something in the trash. Same thing. Hey, could you throw that out? Hey, the milk that we bought last month has went bad. Can you throw it out? It has, or the milk has expired. Can you throw it out? Turn down. So to lower the volume, I've already explained this. Turn down to turn it down. So to lower the volume. Turn off, to stop a machine or light. Turn on, to turn on a machine or light. Turn on the light. Turn off the lights. Turn on the TV. Turn off the TV. Turn up, to increase the volume or to appear suddenly. So to appear suddenly, so to increase the volume, can you turn up the volume? Can you turn up the volume? To appear suddenly is, hey, I didn't like someone comes to your house and you say, hey man, or Gregory turned up out of nowhere. I didn't even know he was coming today. Or someone just surprises you and say, hey man, you came from nowhere. You turned up out of nowhere. You know, I didn't know you were coming today. Okay? So now, get back. To return from somewhere. I just got back from Mexico. And this is inseparable. You can't say, I got Mexico back. I just got back from Mexico. I returned from vacation. Get in. To enter a small method of transportation, such a car. Get in the car. You know? Get on is typically used to get on the bus, get on the airplane, get on the plane, get on the boat. Get off the bus, get off the plane, get off the boat. On a bike, or you're on the bike, so you can get on a bike because you can't get in a bike, you're on a bike. When you're sitting on the bike, you could also get off the bike. So please get off the bike. I'm going to get on the bike and I'm going to ride it 10 miles. Get out of, to exit a small method of transportation that is enclosed, such as a car. Get out of my car. Get out of my car. You know, get out of my house. Get out of my house. You know, get over, to overcome or recover from something. So get over you can use in a relationship. I broke up with my girlfriend 3 years ago, and it has taken me 3 years to get over her. Or you could say, I used to be scared of the dark, but I finally got over it. And then get through. So overcome or reach the end of something. So you can say, 2020 was rough, but I got through it. You know, 2021 is also rough, but we're going to get through it. You know, give up, to quit. So you can say, I worked really hard. I worked really hard on my business, and I worked really hard on my business, but it was too much for me, so I gave up. Or you could say, I worked too hard on my business to give up. I came too far to give up. I came too far to give up now. You know what I mean? I gave up too much in order to give up now. So to quit. Hand in. So for example, let's say if your teacher gave you homework and say, hey, you need to do this homework by tomorrow. Tomorrow comes, you need to hand in your homework to your teacher. Okay? Hand out. The same day before you hand it in, the teacher gives you a handout. Hands out the homework to you. And then hang up, to end a phone call. hey, I'm going to hang up. So if you guys want more information, you want to know more about phrasal verbs, and you want a deeper understanding, you want to learn more, please go to www.lessonplace.net. I will see you guys on the other side. Peace. Hey guys, remember to subscribe to our channel for weekly content. And also, if you're looking to become a part of the student network or receive private tutoring, go to www.lessonplace.net. Again, go to www.lessonplace.net.